Somebody told me homesteading would be fun. Somebody lied. Good afternoon. It's time to get outside and do chores this afternoon. It is hot today. It's somewhere in the 90s. It's above 70% humidity. You might be wondering why I'm doing chores in the middle of the day. Why go out here if it's this hot and this humid? I come out here right before the hottest part of the day and I replace these bottles from yesterday with frozen bottles from today. That way they're gonna have something nice and cool to lean up against for the rest of the evening because it's gonna stay hot here almost until sundown. You can see Roxanne is a little bit panting, so is Wesley, and their ears are up. They're trying to get cooled off as best they can. And you can see next to Mr. Wesley right there, that is a bottle. I use these 96-ounce juice bottles are my favorite to use. And I fill them up with water and I freeze them. So here's all my stuff that I've got ready. Over here we have frozen water bottles, rabbit feed, hay for the rabbits, feed for the cows, and that's it. Oh, a basket to collect eggs in. I don't want to be out here any more than I have to. It's hot, it's humid. So I go ahead and I do all my animal chores at the same time so I don't have to come back out until dark when I shut up all the birds. One other thing I want you to notice are these colorful hay hangers. This is not my idea. I don't remember where I heard it. I'm using whisks, metal whisks, to put the hay in. This helps me in a couple of ways. Rabbits need entertainment, especially rabbits in cages. They need activity, physical and brain activity. So putting the hay in these whisks gives them an activity to pull the hay out piece by piece. It also results in less waste than when I just toss it in their cage on their tile, and it is easier for me than adding a hanger on the outside of the cage somewhere, which is another option that a lot of people use. And there's Mama Rabbit already enjoying being up next to that ice. I don't know if you can see it. I've already got sweat dripping off my lip and I've only been out here a few minutes, and on my neck. My hair is starting to stick to the back of me. Let's keep going. Here are two of our beehives full of activity this sunny Sunday afternoon. They both have a couple boxes of honey that are ready to be harvested. I'm gonna have to get on that before too long here. Whew, it's hot out here. My glasses are slipping down my nose. You're not chasing them, are you, buddy? I hope not. Good boy. He's not. He's being a good boy. Should have left my glasses in the house. I think I'll take them off. Stick them in a pocket before they slide off my nose. Next up, egg collection. Hi, Mama. I'm gonna have to move you. Yeah, I gotta collect the eggs. Oh, there's a broken one. Yuck. I heard that if you put golf balls in the nests, it would stop them from breaking the eggs because they peck on it and then it hurts their beak. Not working for me. What can I do to keep my chickens from breaking their eggs? Please, please, please comment down below and let me know. I need your help. I need to stop this habit. There we go. There we go. Good girl. Started out looking pretty. Went to church today. Now sweat's dripping in my eyes. Gets very ugly pretty quick out here. Need to put my hair up. Oh, need a bandana or something. It's not so pretty. Not so pretty, but it's functional. Okay, next up is chicken waters. I think they're still full. I just filled them up yesterday. So one tip to make afternoon chores easier on the farm is do what you can in the morning. And also have multiples. So there's our chicken waters. I can tell from looking at them they're mostly full. We have 1, 2. Three rabbit tractors. All those rabbits need food, water, and ice bottles. The first thing I do at each tractor is to move them to fresh graze. This mama has plenty of food and water, so all I'm gonna do is change out her ice bottle. Time to do the same at each of the other rabbit tractors. You may have noticed that my rabbit tractors are in my orchard, and some of them are right up against our fruit trees. Carter's home. That's on purpose. Why have to collect and carry rabbit manure to fertilize my trees when I can just have the rabbits right by them and fertilize them naturally? Work smarter, not harder. Oh, it's getting so hot. Am I turning red yet? I usually end up like beet red by the end of chore time. What, girls? What? That's what they said. That's what it sounded like to me. Filming a video about how long it takes to do afternoon chores in the heat. Come say hey. Hi. This is Carter. Carter's been home for the summer. She's been working at our local pool as a lifeguard.
See,
ready to
look
go
at my fancy tan.
Oh, wait.
Ooh. Ooh. Can't put that on your YouTube channel for free.
Gotta pay for those foot shots.
Ew.
Oh, that's my beautiful girl. She has a birthday coming up. Everybody say, happy birthday, Carter!
Happy birthday, Carter!
20 years, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Well, you're my mom. You're supposed to know.
I know, but you know, after like 10, it gets kind of hard. They all run together.
What?
I don't even remember my own birthday. Do you know how old I am?
50?
Ooh, she does. She does. She's getting ready to go back to school soon.
You were born in 1971, and your social security number ends in...
Okay, first, wrong. Second, shh. Let me just cover those lips right there.
I'm just kidding. I don't actually know it.
All right. I just wanted you to say hi to my friends.
Hi, friends.
We're doing chores. It's hard out. It's hot out. It is. All right, you
I'm
heading
sweaty.
in?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna check my 7. Oh, should I show them my cool lifeguard
show 'em.
pins? This means that I can save you. Okay.
And that's a quick explanation.
So we get tested for our skills with the company we get certified through, Jeff Ellis. And so once a month they have someone come in secretly, kind of like a secret shopper, but for lifeguards. And they audit us and they film us without us knowing. And then they review the footage and they give you a score, either fail, meets, or exceeds. And then they have you do 2 group scenarios, a spinal scenario and a unconscious like rapid extraction scenario. And then they have someone picked to do the special individual skill. So I was in all of the scenarios and I did the individual skill. So I got a pin for each audit that I've been in this summer. So 1 every month, so 3 pins. And then I got a lanyard because I did first aid.
Awesome.
Okay.
All right, talk to you later.
There's Dad.
Yeah, I think Dad's gonna cook something on the grill tonight.
It's like I said it and then the dog realized it.
Hey, Flannel, what are you talking about? What's up, Mama? So we have Flannel, brown mama, white mama, Blackie, and 2 calves. And they're hungry, and I need to separate them. Because the only one who's really getting food is Blackie. Because Blackie's going to butcher next month. These guys just get a little taste of food, so I have to separate them, otherwise they will push her out and eat her food. So that's what's next. These brown hens haven't been brooding nearly as long. They're probably not going to give me as much trouble, but watch what this white and black one does. She really cracks me up. So normally she starts running. Oh, here she goes. There they go, off to tell the rooster what a big bad human stole their eggs. Sorry, I'm kind of winded. It's so hot. Whew. I'm kind of miserable. Somebody told me homesteading would be fun. Somebody lied. Whew, it's hot. These are my mom's goats, Toby and Scooter. I'm gonna leave those goats enjoying their dinner. Chris is making me dinner. If you click right over here, you can watch a video where I talk about all that it takes to do chores in the middle of an ice storm in winter in southern Missouri. We get all the extremes, all the bugs, everything. But you know what? We've got a really long growing season and we have a freezer full of our own meat. It is worth it to me to come out here every day, year round, in all different kinds of conditions to make sure our animals are happy and healthy. Because as we like to say around here, happy food tastes better.